cost and time. ठीक है, तो एक छोटा सा एक bit है that we will try to cover in today's lectures. So already we have started due to some difficulties. We have started the today's lectures 30 minutes late. So due to some technical problem was there. So here we will start the escalation in cost and time. So many contractors desperate for work during the economic downturn. There may be downturn in the economic also. Economic law, there may be changes as the nowadays due to the present scenario. There may be changes in the construction work. ठीक है ना, economical मतलब कैसा होगा? There may be drop down of the economic. है ना, overall में देखेंगे there may be a drop down in the economic sectors में जो पैसा था, जो finance था, that मतलब construction part में जो finance लग रहा है, तो there may be downfall in that. ठीक है ना. So many contractors desperate for work during the economic downturn. Desperate in the sense there may be changes. They will some changes to be done. जैसा अगर some amount it has been quoted, but we cannot provide that thing in a particular amount. ठीक है ना. Contractors ने अगर कोई amount quote किया है, suppose 10 lakhs is given for a particular type of work, but due to some economic downturns, the cost may be increased. ठीक है ना, that 10 lakhs may be 10 lakhs 50,000, 10 lakhs 25,000, or 10,000 or 20,000, or it may be 11 lakhs also. So this economical due to some changes, there may be escalations in cost. ठीक है ना, तो many contractors desperate for work during the economic downturn have bid on the project with thin or no margin. Yes, this thing is very important. They have the मतलब with a small margin they have quoted the rates. उसने कैसे किया था? They have, while filling the tenders, they have quoted the rate with a small margins, with no margins. But while executing the works, this work in a particular small margin cannot be executed. ठीक है ना? Okay. So having bid on project with a thin or no margin to maintain ongoing operations. ठीक है? So this compounds the already significant concern of the cost escalation by reducing the cushion available to deal with an issues that arise during a project. ठीक है ना? So various issues will be carried out during the construction of any project. There may be changes in the materials also. There may be changes, a wide change or in the manpowers also, equipments also. So these issues will be arise while constructing any project. Again, while executing actual execution is done, so these issues will be carried out. Therefore, there should be some cushion in the sense some parameters should be there. Some things, some economical point of view, some relaxations should be there, so that that particular type of work it is to be completed. Okay, so this cushion it is to be maintained. Okay, na? There should be some relaxations. Okay, relaxation in the cost of construction work. To manage cost escalations, it is important to identify and stay at tune to the issues that results in added. Okay? So we have to in tune with the issues carried out. ठीक है ना, ऐसा नहीं है कि issues or some that is the difficulties it has been caused, we can neglect the difficulties. ठीक है, so we have to overcome the difficulties in that particular situation and we have to complete the project. ठीक है, we cannot deny the difficulties. ठीक है ना, we cannot deny the problems which has been faced during the construction of work. ठीक है, so we have to carry out a particular type of work with the available difficulties, with the available that is consequences which has been caused during the construction of work. Okay? So and stay attuned to the issues that results in added unwanted expenses. Yes, so we have to bear the unwanted expenses also. Okay? Unwanted expenses, unforeseen expenses, or the while ongoing of any project work, there may be extra expenses will be required. So we cannot neglect or we cannot overcome that expenses. We have to bear that expenses by taking in order to complete the project in the stipulated time. Okay? So unwanted expenses will also be beared. Yes, Sarah, all these things will be carried out in the escalation in cost and time. Okay? We have to keep in mind all these consequences, all these things while finding out or while carrying out the work in a particular that is cost and time. Okay? So this is nothing but the escalation in cost and time. What is next? Here are seven of the most preferable escalations in cost and time. So here, these are the consequences, or these are the situations at which this cost escalation in cost and time it has been carried out. First is the general inflations. There may be ups and downs. Inflation is nothing but there may be ups and downs in the market. Okay? Some suppose the cost of some material it is hikes in some seasons. Suppose in rainy seasons the material cost of the fine aggregates is it is very in a high state, because availability of the fine aggregates in the rainy season is very less. Therefore the amount required for construction of the roads and bridges is
सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है सर।
आ रही है आ रही है।
सर आवाज नहीं आ रही आपकी।
हाँ सर, नहीं आ रही आवाज सर।
सर आवाज नहीं आ रही है सर। हेलो सर, रिमूव हो गए शायद, अभिनव।
Okay, am I audible to all of you?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So there was some network issue. I've restarted the laptop. Okay. So we have started with cost escalations. Okay, general inflations. So, what is general inflations? So, it refers to general inflations in the sense that is changes in the due to market things. There may be rise and fall of the construction work. Okay? Rise and fall of the that is the cost required for executing a construction of particular construction work. Okay? So, there may be rise and fall. Inflation is nothing but the rise or fall. Okay? So it refers to the overall increase or decrease of all goods and services in the economy over a given time. ठीक है ना? As I have given the example for the fine aggregates, in that is in some seasons the rate of the fine aggregates it get decreased, and in some seasons the rate of the fine aggregates it get increased. Same is the cost of the cement also, or same is the cost of steel also. So this should be considered, this rise and fall of the that is the amount required for particular type of that is the material, this to be considered. Okay? This is nothing but the inflations, the rise and fall of the particular type of materials. Okay? It refers to the overall increase or decrease of all goods and services. Goods in the sense in construction work we require the materials, so we can assume this as materials and services in the economy over a given time. Over a short interval of time, for 3 months, 4 months, or for 6 months, there may be rise and fall of the cost of various materials related with the construction of work. Okay? Number two is nothing but, for the most part, builders are aware of the general inflations as an escalation risk, building it into pricing using historical data and forward that is looking trends. Okay? So this builders are aware of this general inflations, the rise and fall of the market rates, the rise and fall of the different material rates, or the rise and fall of the equipments rate. So the builders are aware of this rise and fall, this inflations. The builders are aware of this inflations. Therefore, in order to avoid this inflations, or in order to avoid this escalation risk, what is the other thing they are builders? They are building it into a price using historical data and forward looking trends. Okay? So they will use the data, historical data, and they will use the modern trends in order to avoid the cost escalations, in order to overcome the cost escalations को avoid करने के लिए अब उनके पास कैसा है कि they are having a wide knowledge of the construction of work. So they will in order to avoid this escalation risk, or in order to avoid this inflations in the market rates, they will construct a building, or they will construction of building depending upon the historical data and the forward looking trends. Now what is the, after 2 years or after 5 years, what is the recent trends will be, what is the recent advantages, advancements will be carried out in the construction field. So that advancements will be taken care in the construction of work in order to avoid the cost escalations. Okay? So number C is nothing but, unfortunately, simply accounting for general inflations may not address the immediate concern. Okay? General way calculations will not be considered in order to avoid the escalations. एक simple calculations हो जाएगा या फिर simple accountings हो जाएगा, so this will not overcome the escalations. Okay? So a detailed study how these escalations can be overcome will be carried out. है ना? ये सेंटेंस का क्या मतलब हो गया? सी वाला जो थर्ड सेंटेंस है कि सिंपल कैलकुलेशन से वी कैन नॉट अवॉइड द एस्केलेशंस, सिंपल कैलकुलेशन से वी कैन नॉट ओवरकम द एस्केलेशंस. ठीक है ना? escalation or inflations. So we have to have a deep study of how these escalations can be overturned, or these inflations can be overturned. Okay? So unfortunately, simply accounting for general inflations may not address the immediate concern. Okay? Number D is nothing but, the construction industries has its own specific inputs, the prices for which may not be consistent with overall price across all the countries. Okay? So we have to, the construction industries has its own specific inputs. So some inputs will be given by the construction industries, and some will be that is the purchase from the other industries also. Okay? So there should be some consistency to be maintained at what level we are using our inputs, and at what level we are exporting from the other industries. ठीक है ना? इसका कुछ मतलब ratios and this it is to be maintained, and how much amount we are purchasing from the other industries or other sectors, and how much amount of money we from our industries we are using, ठीक है ना, from our nearby cities we are using, ठीक है. The construction industries has its own specific inputs, the prices for which may not be consistent with overall price across all the industries, okay. Next is number 5 is additionally radical change outside anticipated variations of the cost of single input may have a significant impact, okay. So there may be due to change in input, suppose matlab, depending upon the materials required or depending upon the various equipments or various things required, so a small change in the input will result in a significant change in the cost of complete structures, ठीक है ना. कोई भी चीज का अगर एक चेंज हो रहा है, जैसा एक मटेरियल जैसा जिसका रेट ज्यादा हो गया, तो ऐसा मटेरियल फ्रीक्वेंटली यूज हो रहा है, तो सो दैट कंप्लीट कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क विल बी अफेक्टेड. जैसे fine aggregate is the basic thing, because without fine aggregate or without cement we cannot construct a single we cannot even have a plastering also, okay, without fine aggregate, or without cement we cannot construct a PCC also. Simple PCC is simple leveling surface is there, so we cannot construct or we cannot have a PCC without the cement also, okay. So a large amount of change in the cost of cement will result in the large change in the cost of the complete structures. पूरा structure पे affect होगा, क्योंकि वो basic thing था, ठीक है ना, basic that is the material required, ठीक है. So additionally a radial change outside anticipated variations of the cost of single input may have a significant impact. मतलब एक भी input अगर change होता है तो उसका पूरे प्रोसेस पे और पूरे कंस्ट्रक्शन पे और पूरे एक्टिविटीज पे उसका अफेक्ट होगा, ठीक है. It will have a significant effect on the complete construction work, ठीक है. So these are nothing but the general inflations as per the escalations in cost and time. मतलब ये general है, ठीक है ना, एक general way में we have discussed. अब ये जनरल एट द नेशनल लेवल हो गया, ठीक है ना, बट ग्लोबल वर्ल्ड लेवल पे अगर कुछ ऐसे होते हैं कि कंस्ट्रक्शन से रिलेटेड व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट एस्केलेशंस रिलेटेड विद द ग्लोबल मार्केट से क्या एस्केलेशंस हो सकता है, तो वी विल सी. तो ग्लोबल मार्केट फोर्सेस, the world is getting smaller every day, and however is there is poor than in constructions, because nowadays various techniques which has been used in the foreign countries they are directly implemented in our construction field also. So here there is no as such bound, or there is no as such restrictions. We can use the technologies, we can use the equipments or the techniques or the various things which has been implemented on various other countries. We can use that technologies and various equipments and various that is the techniques or advanced designing aspects we can use for the construction of work, okay. So nowadays world is becoming smaller every day. That means the things which has been available in various countries can be available in our country also by means of transportations or by means of various means. We can use that techniques, ठीक है ना, we can use that means various technologies, ठीक है. In this way buildings are constructed of the same materials of all over the globe, and those materials are manufactured and fabricated from the same supply chains for all uses, ठीक है. So basic materials used for the construction is cement, sand, aggregate, steel. These are the basic materials. These materials will be used in our country also and in other countries also as the basic materials for the construction of any work, okay. So therefore there will be a supply chain, okay. Some materials are available with us and some materials are available with the foreign countries also, okay. But these are the basic materials, so with the amount of materials which are heavy in our country, which are available in ample quantities, can be transported to other countries also, and the amount of materials which are available with the other countries in ample amount can be imported from that, ठीक है ना. अदर कंट्रीज से लेना है और अपने पास जो एम्पल अमाउंट है वी कैन एक्सपोर्ट टू द अदर कंट्रीज ऑल्सो, ठीक है. So there is a supply chain which has been maintained for construction of work, ठीक है ना. So there is supply chain which has been maintained within the countries, ठीक है. तो ये supply chain it is to be considered. C is nothing but increased demand on the other side of the world, whether due to localized boom in the constructions, natural disasters, or supply chain disrupts can affect contractors wherever they operate, okay na. So this supply chain due to some there is consequences or natural hazards, or there is some disruption in the supply chain, there may be scarcity of the materials, So this will be affected. The contractors will be affected with this. That is the natural disasters or the supply chain or scarcity of the some materials. So this will be affected by the contractors in the construction of field. ठीक है, ये सारा consequences will be considered globally. ये सारा globally considered होता है. ठीक है. Next is D is nothing but the global nature of the industries affects pricing, sourcing, availabilities and the material cost. अब global nature में क्या होगा, कुछ materials cost in foreign countries there may be due to their currency and due to their मतलब availabilities the price may be high. ठीक है ना, due to their manufacturing बोलो या फिर availability बोलो या फिर उसके techniques बोलो, advance उसके जो भी designing part होगा, अगर कुछ ऐसा होगा तो उसका pricing high हो सकता है due to sourcing, availability and the material cost. ठीक है. E is nothing but serial number E. Furthermore, the complexities of the regulations and the trade laws, both in US and other countries, can cause additional impact. Okay? अब regulations and trade laws, there may be transportation laws, trading laws, laws are there. There are some bounds are there, some agreements are there. So we have to follow that agreements while transporting, while using or while using that technologies. So regulations and trade laws, it is to be considered. Okay? Project of global natures like ports can and do cause ripple effects. तो global nature like ports, तो ports अगर use हो रहा है या फिर ports transportations के लिए we are using, so this will affect the overall cost of the project. ठीक है ना, globally cost of the project will be affected by this transportation means. ये तो एक थोड़ा सा example दिया ports का. ठीक है ना, there may be various through the means through which we are transporting the materials. ठीक है. So this will results in the construction cost. ये सारा affect करेगा construction cost को globally. ठीक है ना, globally it will be affected. Next is last point related with the global effect of cost escalation is nothing but the world becomes more and more interconnected through technologies and logistics. This rippling effect from far away projects will only become more and more pronounced. Okay. That means there may technologies and inventions, they are changing very fast. Though this interconnections of the technologies or logistic way, various designing aspects or interconnection of the technologies. So this will affect the overall, that is the execution of the project. This will affect the overall cost of the project due to the technologies which we are using or the technologies which it has been used by the other countries. Okay. So this will be considered in the global market forces. Next is nothing but the skill labors, shortages and labor supply. Okay. Again, important is nowadays some construction work, it requires a special for a special task or special work, special labors will be required, skilled labors will be required. So there is scarcity of, there is limited availabilities of the skilled labors. Okay. So this will results in the cost escalations. Cost escalation में क्या होगा कि अगर मतलब कोई skilled labors will it is not available for the particular type of activity. कोई एक activity था, कोई एक task था, तो for completion of that particular task or for the completion of the particular activity, skilled labors are not available with us. तो उससे क्या होगा कि overall cost will be hampered. उसका जो time जो रहेगा, the time bound will be hampered and overall cost will also be hampered. Okay? So labor supply chain, it is also very important. Labor supply chain, it is very important related with the construction of any project. Okay? So labors are very because without labors or without manpowers or without labors we cannot construct a single building, in the sense a single brick wall can also cannot be constructed without the labors. Okay? So skilled labors are required. So this supply chain, it is to be labor supply chain, it is to be maintained in order to have a less cost escalations. ठीक है ना, तो escalations को avoid करने के लिए this supply chain of the labors, it is to be maintained. ठीक है ना, skilled labors will be required. Next is increased demand. Many or large projects in a region, so due to in some areas some particular type of project it is in on a high demand. ठीक है ना, कुछ ऐसे localities रहते हैं, कुछ ऐसे areas रहते हैं, so at that areas the demand of that particular project is vary, and in some areas there is a little bit less demand for a particular type of construction work. ठीक है ना, कुछ ऐसे areas होते हैं, outskirts होते हैं, जहाँ पे अगर buildings भी construct होती है तो there is less demand. ठीक है, बाद में डिमांड होगा, बट एट प्रेजेंट देयर मे बी अ लेस डिमांड ऑफ द पर्टिकुलर फ्लैट्स बोलो, स्कीम्स बोलो या फिर शॉप्स बोलो, गोडाउन्स बोलो. तो देयर डिमांड इंक्रीज इन डिमांड और डिक्रीज इन डिमांड विल बी डिपेंडेंट ऑन द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ वर्क. ठीक है, The increased demand created by the existence of many or very large projects in the region can cause shortage of manpower, capacity and materials. अगर कुछ ऐसे एरियाज में जहाँ पे डिमांड ज्यादा हो रहा है, जैसे कंस्ट्रक्शन एरियाज है, जैसे सिटी एरियाज है, थिकली पॉपुलेटेड एरियाज है, जहाँ पे कंस्ट्रक्शन ज्यादा हो रहा है, तो अब कैसा होगा कि अवेलेबिलिटीज ऑफ मैन पावर विल बी इन शॉर्टेज. देयर विल बी लेस अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ मैन पावर, देयर विल बी less availabilities of the materials required, cement and aggregate steel बोलो या फिर scarcities of materials required होगा, क्योंकि कैसा है कि output is more, that is and input is less, use उसका बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है और company manufacturing बोलो या फिर availability is less. ठीक है, so this increase in demand created for the existence of many of or very large projects in a region can cause shortage of the manpower, capacity and materials. ठीक है, it can also mean that subcontractors have more choices with regard to the builders with whom they choose to work. अब ये भी हो सकता है कि contractors के पास ऐसे बहुत से options रहते हैं कि under which builders they should work. ठीक है ना, depending upon their behaviors बोलो, depending upon their that is money relations बोलो, या फिर depending upon their cost of wages बोलो. So there is subcontractors. They are having many options related with the many choices are there regarding the choice for the builders. Okay. Next is C point is nothing but this increased demand on subcontractors capacity puts them in position in make to better profit and newer work. That means ये डिमांड होने की वजह से क्या होगा कि अब कैसा होगा कि अच्छे कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स रहेंगे, दे विल प्रिफर टू वर्क अंडर द पर्टिकुलर बिल्डर्स. ठीक है, जो अगर वेल ऑर्गेनाइज्ड अगर कोई कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क है, बिल्डर्स है, और तो सब कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स विल ट्राई टू वर्क अंडर दैट पर्टिकुलर दैट इज बिल्डर्स, सो दैट wages or the expenses which has been given or the wages which has been given, it is on proper time or depending upon the fulfillments. So they will try to work under the particular head. ठीक है ना, उसके अंडर में under the particular that is the builders, they will try to work. ठीक है, तो इससे क्या होगा कि डिमांड will be more. ठीक है, next is material fabrication supply. ये सारा चीजें हो गई. अब as the time is, there is time bound. Here it is 10:58. So here we will end this today's lectures. And this little bit, I think so, 4 to 5 slides are remaining related with the cost escalations. General inflation के ये सारा things, these are the consequences or these are the various heads under which we are studying the that is escalation in cost and time. So in next lecture we will try to cover these things, and some more bits or some more different things will be covered in next lecture. So here today's lectures, we will end this today's lecture. Okay. So any doubts, any queries related with today's lectures? Any doubts, any queries related with today's lecture?
No, sir.
नो सर.
है ना, थोड़ा सा कैसा है, आज का लेक्चर थोड़ा सा लेट भी स्टार्ट हुआ था और बीच में थोड़ा देयर वाज सम नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम, तो वी डिडंट कंप्लीटेड दिस टॉपिक. तो आज ये टॉपिक एस्केलेशंस का, आई वाज ट्राइंग टू कंप्लीट दिस टॉपिक. ठीक है, तो एज पर टाइम टेबल आपका नेक्स्ट लेक्चर है अभी, तो वी विल एंड दिस टुडेज लेक्चर्स. ठीक है, तो इसका जो बिट रहेगा एक फास्ट वे में वी विल ट्राई टू कवर. जो रहेंगे पिछले थोड़ा सा रिवाइज कर देंगे क्रॉस एस्केलेशंस का फास्ट वे में, और जो बिट्स रिमेनिंग है वी विल ट्राई टू कवर इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. ठीक है, तो ये सबको क्लियर हो रहा है क्या? थोड़ा सा थ्योरेटिकल पार्ट है, मैं बार बार बोल रहा हूँ कि इन एवरी लेक्चर्स दैट लिटिल बिट पेशेंस विल बी रिक्वायर्ड. है ना, आपको सुनना पड़ेगा थोड़ा सा प्रॉपर वे में, पेशेंस में सुनना है, बिकॉज इट इज टोटली अ थ्योरेटिकल सब्जेक्ट. ठीक है ना, ये जो स्लाइड्स में जो पॉइंट्स बता रहा है, तो ये सारे पॉइंट्स यू हैव टू विद हेल्प ऑफ योर ओन वर्ड्स यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड राइट डाउन. उसको लिखना भी आपको और उसको याद भी रखना है, सो दैट इट कैन बी हेल्पफुल फॉर फर्दर, मतलब जहाँ पे भी अगर यूज होगा, एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू बोलो या फिर फील्ड पे जहाँ पे भी यूज होगा, तो दिस थिंग्स विल बी टेकन केयर. ठीक है ना, ये सारे इंपॉर्टेंट है, कंस्ट्रक्शन मैनेजमेंट से रिलेटेड ऑल दिस टॉपिक्स इट हैज बीन टेकन केयर. ठीक है, तो गिव द अटेंडेंस. रोल नंबर 1 to 10.
Roll number 3.
Roll number 1.
रोल नंबर 3. रोल नंबर 1.
Roll number 7.